Alright, so we're in the car right now. We gotta get some stuff to finish it up before we send it to the body shop. We are putting all the rest of the fluids in the car, and then we need to cut the quarter panels off the original M3 because we're doing a full body conversion. So I gotta buy some cut-off discs to cut off the quarter panels, which is gonna be fun because I've never done that before. With Mickey, and then we got Soul in the back, chilling. Somehow trying to make some space with those golf clubs. But yeah, let's keep me posted. I'm gonna record everything so we can see how it's done. So you good back there? Oh. Alright, so it's like 8 p.m. Long day. I gotta get this car to SOS tomorrow. So I'm gonna cut off the quarter panels of the M3 and yeah, watch me have fun. Alright, so we'll rate these cuts 1 out of 10. What do you rate them? What do you rate them? Oh. Pretty good? Okay, I'll take it. Rear quarters complete. Alright, we're bleeding the brakes right now, and it's not easy. We're spending like 30 minutes on one caliper so far, and we can't even get the fluid to go through. It's just the super gross fluid out of the old M3 caliper for the rear. We're starting with the rear. We got Mickey helping us out. I was pumping earlier. My foot got a little tired, so now he's pumping.
It's tiring.
Good check up on Mark. We're just trying to get some of the old gross fluid out. It's just foggy at this point, but it's like it's not getting cleaner. Okay. Look how gross that fluid is. Ugh. It's like diarrhea from Aslan. Yeah. Go, Mark.
Say something. Holding.
Ugh. Go.
Holding.
Time for the front. The nickel plating, can't scratch that. Oh, we got a bigger nut in this one. Well, I feel it's coming, Mark. Go. Go. Go.
No, this is milk. Like actually.
Go.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, we're good. I lied to them, said I know how to bleed the clutch, but I don't know where it is. Where is it, Aslan? Where's the clutch bleeder system?
Go to the slave and you'll see the bleeder valve.
Which one do you bleed?
I'm used to E9X, but I think it's the same concept. I think you disconnect it from here, pull this hose.
The problem is?
Yeah, the problem is you gotta shift properly, okay? You guys see this right here? That's for nitrous.
Alright, we're filling it up with coolant.
Definitely won't be able to hear it with this thing.
Filling it up with coolant.
Bleeding it!
Bleeding it.
It's gonna overflow until in a little bit once it gets hotter. Yeah. It's gonna be fine. But it's gonna overflow out.
So we got a little bit of a delay. We were planning on dropping off the car at the body shop today, but we're gonna do it tomorrow morning. So I don't think they're gonna start on it on a Friday night or Saturday morning because they're only there till 1 p.m. on a Saturday. All right, we're going first movement on the car, not on the rack. So we're first time de-racking it in months. All right, Soul's coming for our first ride. That's our seat, because race car, right? Oh yeah. All right, guys. Dude, I don't have enough force to hit the clutch. We use this one. We got Soul in here. First run. Oh shit! Straight from sealed air, dog. That's just custom.
Yep, custom.
Hey, custom for my. You know how McLaren race cars and like Aston Martin race cars, they get your
conform it
molds
to
and
your
shit?
body.
It's
Yeah.
conformed, dog.
So that's what he's doing right now. He's getting custom seats made for himself.
The only thing that's left is the pedal fuel.
Go forward and then put it in reverse.
I wonder what's stopping it. Oh, maybe because the car's too low.
Who needs reverse when you have 5 guys, bro?
Oh, does it run? Good? No codes?
Did you drain oil? Back.
No, just run it real quick.
Hey, can you guys?
For like 5 seconds. And then T asked, did you do the oil change? So
Yeah,
oh, fuck,
that's why I said fire it up real quick. Make sure there's no codes.
Okay.
So now you can change the filter, and then
Drain oil.
and then
Take off the coolant.
yeah.
Where's the
Hey,
first
before you drain the oil, here, Mark, here.
Hey, honestly, push me all the way back, just so I get maybe if I go.
Yeah, hold that.
You made it, kind of.
Why is there still no reverse? Time for the big body shop day. We are loading the E46 on the trailer. So just got it unracked and we're gonna drive it outside on its own power. So close. Easy, right?
Any crowd, man. And I think that's why the New Heights podcast is amazing. You know, I think you guys need to keep going, and we can't wait to watch you play second.
So we're at SOS. We just started unloading the truck. Bunch of interior pieces, more body panels, and then the wagons in the back, which we're gonna go check out. We got Soul with us. Yeah, pretty excited. Wagons coming together. These are the quarters. They're starting to cut, fit them, and then they're gonna end up welding them. M3 bumper, old wagon bumper, they gotta cut and weld that as well. Oscar's kind of examining what he signed up for, and he's regretting every ounce of it.
Oh yeah, 100%. Especially in this timeline. I don't know who does this. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna casually just drop off a full freaking conversion bill, color change, freaking full interior in a month, and you know,
it's more like 3 weeks.
yeah. Oh yeah, because you need to put it together still.
Yeah, well, I'm giving you the hard part.
That's fine. And I mean, I think if we just double up our rate, you know, we should be good.
Yeah, I
Just
agree.
charge-
I agree.
Just charge double.
Yeah, just 80,000 instead of 40.
Oh, shut the fuck up, man. I will. Okay. We'll use that then. That's cool. If you're cool with that,
If you guys want a conversion to SOS, it's only 40. So if you guys didn't know, TJ Hunt makes everybody that touches his car sign a waiver. So he actually had to sign 2 waivers because he's touching it and sanding it.
Yes, sir.
Isn't that right, Oscar? Because he
cannot-
doesn't wants to release liability.
I can neither confirm nor deny.
Oh, well, that's how you know it's real. So the last piece of the puzzle is cutting out.
Fuck, lock,